You can also use social media platforms to promote your businesses. And also, these are great ways, to connect with customers and interact with them more directly. And besides all these online channels, online businesses, often rely heavily on e-commerce. So, if you want to maximize sales and profit, you need to set up a secure and reliable payment system for customers to make purchases. So, what I do, I choose the right e-commerce platform and payment processor. And these I'm telling you, they could be the difference between success and failure when it comes to online businesses. It is important to be aware of the latest trends and also marketing techniques. And it is, it's constantly changing. The online market is constantly changing. So it is also important to stay up to date. And so that, not only you're competitive, but also you stay relevant. So keep on learning. Understand SEO, that is search engine optimization, and how to leverage it. Blog writing and effective ad campaigns, and how to develop effective ad campaigns. I think all this you have to keep on learning. Making money online is legally and genuinely is possible, but requires careful planning, risk assessment, good customer service, and staying updated with the latest industry trends. So this has been booming area in recent times. Again, I keep emphasizing the legalities involved and various techniques to make money. And also you should operate in a responsible and sustainable manner. So making money online from launching successful digital business, utilizing investment approaches. So remember some few points I'd like to share with you. The most important step to making money online is to start a business, whether it is a digital or a traditional one. But remember, startup costs can be high. The potential to achieve financial success far outweigh the cost of starting a venture. But if you have a business plan and taking time to build a portfolio, your financial goals can be achieved more quickly. So you have established the business and you should need to have a sound marketing plan to drive revenue and customers. So you can use various platforms, email campaigns, social media accounts, again, SEO optimization. And these things will help increase the visibility of your business. So more people can see who you are and what is your business all about. And there are also some investment techniques, stocks, ETFs, mutual funds also. So you can also increase your financial portfolio. And it is also important to look into freelancing or renting out your services. There are many websites which provide such opportunities. And also many online companies are looking for freelancers for single project or long term. And these are various assignments and that can help you supplement your income. And there are options we are going to share: online surveys, product reviews, and many companies are willing to pay individuals to take surveys and offer feedback on products and services. And also important, remember digital marketing strategies, affiliate programs, SEO optimization, content marketing. And how do you do that? So if you've got a website, look at your content, look at the reviews, look at materials. You can also increase, by doing that, you can increase hits and drive more people to your website. So I'm going to share with you some 51 ways to make money online legally. So we have compiled a list of 51 areas where you can make money online legally. Sell online courses. You can create your own courses and sell them online. You can become an online tutor. Many people are looking for tutor for specific subjects, so you can become an online tutor and provide your services. You can start an e-commerce store, start selling, publishing e-books. Today, people are publishing their books in the electronic format. That is what is an e-book. You can publish an e-book. promote it, sell it, create printables, virtual assistant, and you can provide a lot of services being virtual. Start a blog, and today there are also vlogs, video logs, blogs. Start writing on your favorite topic, and you'll find a lot of people ready to advertise on your site, and you can also promote your products and services. Sell stock photos, join the habit of photography, so you can take photos original, copyright free, and you should not, it should be original, and you should own the copyright, so you can sell them online. Cryptocurrency, people are making a lot of money today. Be careful, there's a lot of risk. Freelance writing, and you can do writing for others. It's called freelance writing. You can do update websites. You can provide your services. You can build a store, Shopify store. Write resumes. You can help people write their resumes. Isn't it interesting way? And also charge for it. Create a membership site for any product or services. And you can also participate in surveys and get paid online. You can sell items on various sites like eBay. Become a coach or a mentor. Offer consulting services in your domain areas. Become a bookkeeper. So start selling online. Make money with YouTube. Create your own video programs. Put them on YouTube. Proofreading services are in demand. So if you are good at that, you can do that. Become an affiliate. Invest in online businesses. Sell products and also get paid to test products. So there are many, many opportunities which are available for those looking to make money online. Become an influencer. These people are in great demand, and so you can become an influencer. Create a passive income from online opportunities. Complete micro tasks. Invest in dividend stocks. You can also participate in focus groups. Developing web applications, web software, mobile applications. There's a huge demand for those people. Copywriting services you can provide if you're good at that. Host webinars on topics. Perform market research. So there's a huge demand for market research. Become a transcriptionist. You are efficient in one knowledge, or you are having expertise in one language, and you can also help people transcribe, or also you can become translators. Research assistant, start a podcast on interesting subjects, offer translation services. App developer, there's a huge demand for those people. Start a tutorial on your subjects in which you have expertise. You can buy and resell items. Graphic design work, there's a huge demand. Content editor, everyone is looking for good content, original content. You can become a content editor. Build websites for others. Become a freelancer or a consultant. Sell your digital assets and invest in cryptocurrency, buying and selling of domains. So we can also look into that, create an online store, affiliate marketer, publishing ebooks, marketing ebooks. Many, many more such opportunities available. But before you get into that, plan what you want to do. Look at the legal. Hope ensure it is always a legal enterprise. Don't do anything which is running against the legal requirements, or don't do anything which is not acceptable legally. So looking for income or making your mark, there's a lot of opportunities to make money online legally. Wish you all the best, and thanks for joining. Thank you.